A jury officially seated in the trial against the mother of the Oxford High School shooter. It's the latest step in a trial that's garnered national headlines. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Kimberly Gill.
And I'm Devin Skillian. With the jury now seated, we are getting a better look at who will decide the fate of Jennifer Crumbley. Sean Lay spent the day in court again. Tell us about the makeup of this jury, Sean.
Let's get right to it, Devin and Kimberly. 17 people on this jury. 5 are alternates. We do not know who the alternates are, the deciding jurors, 12 of them. So we got 17 here. So 10 are women. They appear to be all Caucasian women, white women, and 7 men. And the 6 of them are Caucasian, appear to be Caucasian. 1 is a younger African-American male. So we have 10 women and 7 men now seated on this jury. Now, the jurors, most of them are parents, either with adult children or very small children. They were asked direct questions about their thoughts on firearms. Most said they're okay with firearms. Some say they own them, have them in safes at home. Others say their parents or grandparents hunted or they hunted with them. They're okay with firearms for the most part. Now, very interesting question, Devin and Kimberly. They were asked, look, there's Jennifer Crumbley sitting right here in front of you. She's in court. She's charged with very serious crime. Since she's here, does that give you the feeling that she's guilty of something? Everyone, very sharply said, absolutely not. Innocent until proven guilty. They've not heard a shred of evidence. And they said just because she's here, they don't have any feeling about her one way or the other. Let's talk about what's happening next now. Opening arguments straight away tomorrow. This jury has not been sworn in yet. So Judge Matthews here says she'll bring the jury in at 8:30 sharp tomorrow, give them more instructions, swear them in. And then I was able to ask members of the team, prosecutor and defense, do you think they'll get going right after that, or will there be a break? And they said, no, we're prepared to get this trial moving. It could be right after 8:30 tomorrow morning.
And Sean, tell us a little bit about the drama that came after the jury left the courtroom.
So the jury gets seated. There was a lot of relief about that. They go out. And so one of the last things that the attorney for Jennifer Crumbley simply asked Shannon Smith, she said, hey, can I get the list of the witnesses that the prosecutors are going to call tomorrow? Kind of caused some drama because the prosecutors, Karen McDonald and Mark Keyes, said, we don't know right now because of scheduling. We have to make calls. We do have a list of who we want to call. We have to make sure everyone's available. So the judge said, look, it's a pretty serious issue here. Decide who you're going to call tomorrow and then text the list over to Ms. Smith sometime tonight. And then Shannon Smith said, a lot of the witnesses that the prosecutors are going to call, she's going to call as well, kind of matching here. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, interesting. All right, Sean, a reminder for you. You can follow this case every day, moment by moment on Local 4 Plus and clickondetroit.com. Download the Local 4 Plus app on your TV, wherever you get your streaming apps, and stream us on clickondetroit.com, too.